How to withdraw money from Bitget. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. To withdraw the money from Bitget, you can choose to withdraw either the cryptocurrencies or the flat currencies like euros or dollars. So first of all, you have to go to the Bitget website and log into your account. Click on your wallet and then select withdraw. If you want to withdraw cryptocurrency, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and enter your receiving address and select the correct network. If you want to withdraw the flat currency, click on the withdraw flat and you will see the flat options available. For example, if set to euros for me, but you can choose the pounds or other currencies if needed. Select your deposit method, only one may be available for each currency, and select next. Next, you need to complete a security verification. So for that, bind a phone number and an email address. And once binding is completed, you can proceed to send the funds to your bank account. So that's how you withdraw money from Bitget. So if you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next one.